miles is that thing?
165.
That's pretty good.
That was 45 miles per hour top speed. He just pretty much raced that car, and here he comes. Back around. He's coming back. Full speed.
Faster and faster. Oh my gosh.
Down Dustin Coombs, by the way.
That's just nuts.
Here he comes back. He's drag racing. This car is right behind him. There he is. Graham Assion. He's got to go behind this car.
He's gonna be like Herbie.
Get him up on the car. He just pretty much raced that car there. Should be coming back at top speed. Oh shoot, that car's talking to him. Okay, he'll be coming back. Oh, it shut off.